dapat siya naguna. Pwede. Baka maiba isip niya.
Oh. Alma, LV, thank you very much. May 5,000 naman. Sakto dapat eh. Kaya kay Carrots kanina.
Pwedeng lalawigan, pwedeng tao eh. Kaya nga. Halika, balik kayo.
Mga graduates ng Deparo High School maglalaro sa jackpot round.
Dito sa jackpot round, meron kayong 10 words. Tigli-5 kayo. Pag nakatatlo kayo, 50,000 pesos. Ganun lang kadali yan.
Okay, ang kategorya Superman, Batman ay bagay.
Pwede magpasto. Una ka. Kenneth. Ready? Paglitaw. Go!
Suot ng bahay? Hindi. Sinusuot? Oo. Sa ulo? Hindi. Sa katawan? Oo. Damit, mga ganon? Oo. Damit, pambabae? Dress, ganon? Hindi. Mga dress, polo, t-shirt? Oo. T-shirt? Kamiseta? Hindi. Mga ganon? Hindi. Panglalaki? Oo. Kulay puti? Oo, pwede. Barong, ganon? Hindi.
Pass. Yun na lang ang kulang.
Tao. Bagay. Oo. Babae. Oo. Sala. Hindi. Kusina. Hindi. Oo. Kusina. Oo. Panluto. Oo. Pwede. Lalagay sa kalan. Hindi. Braso plastic. Hindi. Kahoy. Hindi. Metal. Hindi. Oo. Pwede. Oo. Pangalo. Hindi. Utensils. Pass. Hindi.
Pass.
Sa loob ng bahay. Hindi. Sa labas. Oo. Transportasyon. Oo. Dalawa gulong. Pwede. Oo. Kalesa. Oo.
Okay.
Kalesa.
Kalesa.
Pwede. Pwede. Personal. Hindi, pwede. Panlinis. Hindi, pwede. Hindi. Sa bodega. Hindi.
Pass.
Bagay. Oo. Sa loob ng bahay. Hindi. Sinusuot. Oo. Sa ulo. Hindi. Sa katawan. Pwede. Sa katawan, damit pa siya ganun. Hindi. Accessory. Pwede. Oo, pwede. Sa braso. Hindi. Sa leg. Hindi. Sa katawan, botones, gano'n? Hindi. Damit, gano'n? Hindi. Pass! Doon na bahay. Oo! Sinusuot? Hindi. Kusina? Hindi. Sala? Hindi. Bedroom? Oo. Ligaan? Hindi. Oo, pwede. Appliances? Hindi. Mirror? Hindi. Alarm clock? Hindi. Plastic? Hindi. Metal? Hindi. Laruan? Hindi.
Pass.
Tulad ng bahay? Oo! Sinusuot? Oo, hindi! Tulad ng bahay sa sala? Oo! Sa sala, sofa, ganon? Hindi! Appliances? Hindi! Gadget? Cellphone? Computer? Oo! Bagay, sa loob ng bahay? Hindi! Kusina? Hindi! Sa labas? Office? Hindi! Sinusuot? Oo! Damit? Oo! Damit sa katawan? Oo! Panloob? Oo! Saan do? Hindi! Pambaba? Hindi! Jacket? Oo! 3!
Okay.
Congratulations! Ang total na napanulan nyo ay 70,000 pesos. At may gift pack pa kayo from Milk Magic Melon Milk Powder.
At bukas nga pala, Ryan, mga Henyong Elementary School students ang magpapakita ng galing at talino sa Junior Pinoy Henyo. Abangan ng mga estudyante ng Concepcion Integrated School, Marikina. Bergonville Elementary School, Las Piñas. Taytay Elementary School, Unit 1, Taytay, Rizal. Bukas yan. Okay, sa pagpumalik namin, Bayanihan may kasama swerte sa One for All for One. Bayanihan of the People. Lahat ng yan mangyayari dito sa Henyo! Henyo!
Nako, meron tayong mga foreign guests ngayon, Bel.
Tama. They're here in Eat Bulaga today.
Kasama po namin ngayon si Carlito at si Jillian Hall.
Hi!
Hi guys! Welcome to Eat Bulaga.
Hey!
Hello.
Hey!
Here.
When did you guys get in?
We got in today.
A couple of hours ago, like about 7:30 this morning, I think.
Very
So
sleepy.
straight from the
Is this your
airport.
first time in the Philippines?
This is my second time.
My first. How do you like it?
I like it. The women here are very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So, what's going on, guys? Why are you here in the Philippines?
You want to tell them why?
Sure. Do a little wrestling show. WWFX tomorrow, February 4th.
At the Smart Araneta Arena or Coliseum, there's going to be there you go. As you can see, look at Carlito's abs. Carlito's been working out.
Look at that hot blonde
Look
up
at
there.
that. We got stars like MVP, John Morrison, Jillian Hall, Melina, Snitsky, and of course myself. So it's gonna be a heck of a show. Rhino's there, Bruce Masters, Shelton Benjamin. It's gonna be full of action, full of a lot of surprises. And, of course, everybody's favorite wrestler, Carlito.
Wow,
What?
okay.
Hold on, Jillian.
Do you want to invite the Filipino fans? And what's your message to all our Filipino fans who are going to watch you guys tomorrow?
You're gonna have a good time, so make sure you come out. It's gonna be a blast.
You guys are going to have a lot of fun. You're going to get to see Carlito. You're going to get to see his abs up close and personal.
Wow, can we see that
See it
now?
now, a sneak preview.
Working out. Thank you.
All right. So Jillian, you're gonna be down and dirty tomorrow, right?
Yeah, you're gonna get a little divas action. Me versus Melina. I'm sure I'm gonna win.
And Carlito's going to get a little down and dirty tonight. I don't know where the hot spot is, but
Ooh, you should go to Republic.
Yeah, your
Republic,
Republic, Opus.
somewhere. We'll be around town.
That's all he's been talking about is the women here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Beautiful women.
thank you guys.
Thank you
so
guys
much
for
for
having
you
us.
and Jillian.
Remember, tomorrow at the Smart Arena Arena, come see us.
Alright, at sa pagbabalik namin, bayanihang may kasamang swerte sa One for All for One, bayanihan of the people. Pero ngayon pa lang, kamustahin na natin ang mga dabarkad sa barangay. Jose, Wally, Paolo, you see our friends over here? You have a message for them?
Yeah, guys. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Watch out for our abs. I'm gonna beat you, man. Look at my abs. Yeah.
Arenetta Coliseum. See you there. All right.
Look at that, man. Love it, huh?
Jose,
Abs ba yan or flaps?
I can't dance like that, though.
No, it's a monai, huh?
sabi ni Carlito, he can't do that with his abs daw, Jose.
I can't dance like
No,
that.
I do that tomorrow. My abs like that.
That's a smart Araneta.
Tomorrow morning, I sleep early. Then when I wake up, pandesal here for breakfast. Anyway, see you guys. Okay, now, eto na. Angel Patrick Sumner, panalo sa mga premio, Barangay Promo.
This is the winner of 5,000 pesos plus that gift back. Congratulations to the Cita Silva. Yo.
And there's another one win 5,000 pieces. But they'll give back and washing machine, of course, with dryer. Dryer, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, Ronnie.
Alright, Charizina, Ronnie, pumunta na kayo dito para kunin yung mga papremyo.
Para lamok, siguradong tempo.
Okay, susunod na One for All for One sa pagbabalik ng
Bulaga! Come on, everybody now. Let's Bulaga!
Dabarkad sa USMA. Get ready to have fun and party till you drop. Dahil makakasama nyo na ang Bulaga para sa mahigit 1,000